Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Did you know that you can make a headband in less than 10 minutes? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a headband like this in less than 10 minutes, and these steps will save your time and money. Make sure you watch the whole video so that you won't miss any steps. So guys, you're going to need a sewing kit, but it's not a must for you to have a sewing kit. You can just have needles, a pair of scissors, a tape measure, and a thread that matches the material that you are going to work with. Since I'm working with a thick material, I'm going to use this large needle. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, this is the biggest needle of all the needles that I have. This is the biggest size, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm also going to need a threader, but that's not a must, it's not compulsory. So a tape measure is needed because you're going to need to take the measurements of your head, since you're making a headband and you don't want it to be big or too small for your head. So I'm going to take the measurements of my head, then I'm going to transfer the measurements to this material. Yes, then I'm going to cut using the scissors. I'm going to take the measurements off camera, and then I'll come back with the material that I will cut from this big material. So I want to set a timer so that I can know how long it will take for me to make this headband. I want to challenge myself. So guys, I've set the timer. Now I'm going to thread my needle. Then you're going to turn it to the right side, and this is how it should look like. Yep, there should be something like that looks like a knot here. Once I started cutting the material, I noticed that it was releasing these things. The fluffy part of it was coming off, and this is so irritating because I'm inhaling them and it's irritating my nose. I didn't love that part of the material. It's just so irritating. If you're working with a fluffy material, you're going to cut from the wrong side. Don't cut using the fluffy side because you won't get a straight line. If your material is not stretchy, you're going to add 1 inch to your material so that when you fall here, you still get the correct measurement of your head, and the headband will be able to fit around your head, because you don't want to make a headband then it doesn't fit your head. So make sure you add 1 inch to your to the measurements that you will get. So guys, this is how the headband looks on me. I actually love it, but I think it's too dull for the head. Like the navy blue color, I think it's too dull for the head. So I'm going to try this challenge again with a different material, maybe in my next video. So guys, that was all for today. Make sure you watch and like my previous videos, and let's catch up in the next videos. Bye guys.